The IELTS listening test takes approximately 30 minutes, and you are allowed an extra 10 minutes to transfer your answers from your question booklet to your answer sheet. You will be listening to a pre-recorded CD, and the passages that you hear will increase in levels of difficulty as you go through the test. You will have to complete and answer each section before you move on to the next. There are 4 sections in the listening test. In section 1, you will listen to a conversation between 2 people set in an everyday social situation. In section 2, you will listen to a monologue set in an everyday social situation. In section 3, you will listen to a conversation between up to 4 people set in an educational or training context. In section 4, you will listen to a monologue on an academic subject. Each section is heard only once, so please listen carefully. You will now see tips for the listening test on the next screen to help you in being best prepared for your test. Tips for the listening test. If you cannot hear the audio clearly, let a member of the staff know straight away. If you do not know the answer to a question, attempt it but do not waste time. Move quickly on to the next one. Do not panic. Be careful with your spelling and grammar. Read, write and listen at the same time. Pay attention to the word limit required. Follow instructions carefully. Attempt all questions. There are no penalties for incorrect answers. Check your answers.